Hello everyone, this is your teacher Clintz and welcome to your Filipino Odyssey class.
Our lesson for today is about geography of my province and region. Relative location. Relative location refers to the location of a place in relation to the distance or the position of its proximate places. To determine a place's relative location, one may use the cardinal and ordinal directions, its proximate areas, its landforms or water forms, even its distance from other places. To better understand the use of relative location, you need to recognize first the different knowledge and skills that 5 could help you in determining this. Cardinal and ordinal directions. There are guides that point to the location of a place. These guides are called direction. A direction may either be cardinal or ordinal. It can be determined by using a compass rose. The cardinal directions are north N, south S, east E, and west W. These are important guides in identifying a place's location. The picture below is a compass rose. Geography refers to the study of the physical features of a place and its people's way of life. The cardinal directions are north N, south S, east E, and west W. These are important guides in identifying a place's location. The picture below is a compass rose. Geography refers to the study of the physical features of a place and its people's way of life. Distance. Another method by which you can determine a place's location is by measuring its distance from another place. Distance refers to how far a place or object is from another place or object. It can be measured by using units of measurements. There are two systems of measurement used: the English system and the metric system. In the Philippines, the metric system is used wherein meter is used as the unit in measuring distance. Often, kilometer equivalent to 1,000 meters is used to measure long distances. Landforms and water forms. Aside from direction and distance, the different landforms and water forms are also helpful in finding the location of a place like your province and region. First, identify the landforms and water forms that surround the place which you want to find out the location. Next, using the compass, determine the cardinal and ordinal directions. After which, locate the direction of the landforms and water forms which will be used as points of reference. In this method, a place will be easily located using the landforms and water forms as markers. Map. A map is a flat graphical representation of the features of an area or place. With the help of the different parts of a map, the location, distance, and direction of a place can be identified. There are 3 parts of maps. First is the compass rose. Compass rose is a symbol in the map that shows the cardinal and ordinal directions. It shows the direction in which the construction of the map is oriented. Often, maps are oriented to the northern direction. Second is the legend. A legend shows the symbols or figures used in the map. And the last one is the scale. A scale shows the ration or correlation between the measurement in the map and the actual measurement. There are 5 types of maps. First is the political map. A political map shows the extent of a territory and the boundaries of an area. It uses different colors to delineate the limits of a territory or jurisdiction of a country, region, or an area. The map on the right shows the provinces and the 17 regions of the Philippines. The colors and the lines show the territories and boundaries of each region. Second is the climate map. A climate map shows the climate of a particular area by means of markers and color guides. Climate refers to the weather condition experienced in a place for a long period of time. It also tells how warm or cool, or frequent or rare rainfall it is in an area. As shown in the climate map of the Philippines below, the country has 4 types of climate. You can determine the climate of a particular or by referring to the 4 colors in the map below. Third is the physical map. A physical map shows the landforms and water forms located in a particular place. These are illustrated through graphical representations of how high or low an area is. A physical map is similar to a relief map, which is 3-dimensional depiction of a place's physical feature. Often, it does not delineate the political boundaries of territories so that one can observe their features more clearly. Fourth is economic map. An economic map presents the different livelihood services and products of a particular place. It also used to determine the various economic resources found in the different parts of an area. Another type of economic map shows a place's primary products, services, and livelihood. These are presented using symbols. Observe the map and see what products are found in every region. Fifth is thematic map. A thematic map shows a particular information about an area through the use of symbols. It may contain information about total population, language used, distribution of plant and animal species, areas with the highest number in Internet users, and other information. Summary. You will learn more about your province and region by discovering, studying, and analyzing the important information about them, including their location, with an aid of a map. The relative location of a place can be identified through your knowledge on direction, distance, and the landforms and water forms near an area. A map is a flat and graphical representation of the features of an area. The parts of the map compass rose, legend, and scale are guides in reading and interpreting the information presented in the map. There are different kinds of map including political map, physical map, economic map, climate map, and thematic map. Each kind of map has its own purpose and contains specific information. That's all for today. Thank you for listening.